So we're involved with the Swazi Frontier because of the synergy between the two organisations, both interested in the same social initiatives. And we're also interested in promoting tourism and the sport of cycling in Swaziland. The Sakula project, it's sort of a typical project we get involved with. It's a great social initiative because we're reaching kids at school age and giving them opportunity they would otherwise not have had. And that'll impact their community and the rest of their lives. It's a great race, as you guys have seen, and I think everybody who does it really enjoys it, and it's being a good ambassador for Swaziland.